Stainless steel key-to-like receiver lock and coupler latch lock. 5/8" receiver lock has push-to-lock locking mechanism. Push lock body onto pin firmly and remove key. Usable length of receiver pin is 2 3/4 inch. Weather tough seal and watertight cap protects lock from moisture. Adjustable coupler latch lock, locks from 9/16 inch to 2 3/4 inch. The Master Lock No 1481 DAT features a 5/8 inch, 16 mm, stainless steel receiver lock and adjustable coupler latch lock. The receiver lock includes the push-to-lock locking mechanism, easily used by pushing the lock body firmly onto the pin and removing the key. The weather-tough seal and watertight cap provides additional protection from moisture and dirt. The coupler latch lock adjusts from 9/16 inch, 14 mm, to 2 3/4 inch, 70 mm, for added application flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. As expected. Wish all three were key-to-like. Seems silly, but I'll have two with same key but the third a different key. Just annoying to yet again grow my keychain collection. And as another reviewer once said, this will keep an honest thief honest. If somebody is serious enough about wanting your trailer, they will cut these off with a grinder and continue stealing it in probably 15 minutes. Or will be ticked off and damage your unit for causing the nuisance to them. Not sure what worse.